stitch here. July 6th, Monday. About to head toward Big Bald, about 3 miles away, 2.9 I think to be exact. Gonna finish up the day at No Business Knob Shelter, about 15 miles away. That'll set me up for 6 short miles into Erwin, Uncle Johnny's Hostel tomorrow morning. Looking forward to that shower. If you all could smell me, you'd understand why. See you down the trail. Okay, everybody, I'm standing on Big Bald. And looking across is Big Stamp, and then Little Bald, and a small mountain behind it. I'm gonna walk around here and give you these views. That's gonna be in the direction of Hot Springs. These views are as spectacular as Match Patch. Alright guys, this is some Big Stamp. I just want to get more video, but I keep running into people up here. Very popular place. And I don't like talking while there's people around. And you see right there's Big Bald. To the north, that's where I came from. Actually about 15 minutes hiking, but I've been talking to people. So long, toodles. Alright everybody, I made it to Little Bald, and it's overgrown. There's no bald here, no views. Sitting down on a little small log resting. I don't know, it's probably 1.5 miles, 2 miles back to Big Bald. The next few miles is going to be 1,300 feet descent. That's tough on the body. Easy on the lungs, but tough on the body. I'll show you something if there's anything to see along the way. Toodles. My water source tonight, not ideal, but it serves the purpose. Just takes a while. And I still got 2/10 of a mile to climb to get to the shelter. We toting water. Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, I made it to No Business Knob Shelter, about a 16-mile day. I got about 6 miles to get into Uncle Johnny's Hostel in Erwin, Tennessee tomorrow. I plan on setting my alarm clock for 4 bells. I want to get in there early and get home. Just, you know, things need to be done at home, need to be home. It's been a good trip. I'll show you a few things tomorrow. I don't know how much I will see. I know there's one real good view. Excuse me. Heavy walking to do that to you. Real good view of Erwin. And something, I'm gonna lean down a little bit because I'm tired. Something that I noticed today, being out in the woods, I'm not an outdoorist, so I'm not out in the woods a lot except when I hike. But something I noticed today is when it's windy, the birds are not chirping. In fact, they'll be down low in low trees and branches, or they'll be on the side of the trail and they'll scare you when they flutter away. Never really give any thought to that, but when the wind lies down, they'll go to chirping again. Pretty interesting. Just one of those stitched moments, something that I realized today as I was walking along in my thoughts. So long to everybody, and we will see you in the morning.